Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Odyssey, that generation here guys, from year 2011 to year 2017. If you guys have one of those, and you need to find guys where the horn relay is located, because your horn does not work. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, where you can buy cheap relays and fuses, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017 guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clear written guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now something else guys, relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see like the JK's fuses, you have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So where is the horn relay guys? If your horn does not work on your Honda Odyssey, could be many things: horn fuse, horn relay, bad horn, or horn switch. We recommend to always check the fuse and the relay first. We have the fuse video on our channel, horn fuse location on Honda Odyssey, and today we will share the relay on 2015 Honda Odyssey. So if you open the hood on your Honda Odyssey, you will notice that altogether in that car, in that minivan, you have 5 different fuse boxes, but under the hood we'll have 2 of them. This is the secondary one. We don't need that one. We need the main fuse box under the hood in the engine bay right here. Open that cover and you'll see a layout like this one. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can clearly see. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here now guys, okay, right here we need to find one relay that's specifically for the horn, and we'll be talking, okay, they go in order like that: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, that's how they're numbered, the relays, if you need them, just to share it so you know what's happening guys. That relay number 13 is for the horn that you will need to check here. If your horn doesn't work, we recommend to check the fuse as well. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.